Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. So here you can see that I selected an image. Once you add any image, you simply need to click on apps, and here you need to search for Cartoonify, or you simply need to write cartoon. Okay, here you can see that different words. So select Cartoonify and select the first one. Click on choose file. So I'm going to select this one. Click on Cartoonify and replace. Wait for a few seconds so that it will complete that. So now you can see that it is doing its work. So here you can see this image is convert into a cartoon like this. Here you can see this image. You can see before and after on the thumbnail as well. So this is a process that you need to follow to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.